Ba't nakatingala ka?
There we go once again, ladies and gentlemen, inviting all of you to please stand by the please and exalt down in a view of Ezra that And once again, for the members of the principal sponsors and secondary sponsors, we have reserved seats for you. So once again, please. Thank you.
Depende kasi.
Sarap ba eh?
Asa na yun?
It changes who I am undone. Nothing good I froze in line. I prayed for you before
panahon para patunayan na ikaw, Manuel, ay sapat, ikaw, Manuel, ay tapat, at ikaw, Manuel, ang karapat-dapat sa nag-iisang Elena ng buhay mo. Ngayon, muli mo nang hingin ang kamay ng iyong pinakamamahal na asawa sa kanyang pinakamamahal na ama. Parang ayaw pang ibigay. Thank you so much, Daddy. Sige po, okay lang yan.